Start by clicking on the WS Library homepage and go to Guides. I'm majoring in engineering, so I'll click on Engineering. They got multiple guides here within engineering, but I am doing engineering. So now we're on the engineering guide homepage here. The librarian for this guide is Clayton Hayes. There's his contact information and a couple of his subjects. They got the college information over here. So here's some guides in here: computer science, how to use ebooks, an EndNote. Reference works and journals. You can go to the College of Engineering homepage, look at undergraduate programs and whatnot. That's interesting. Click on computer science. These are just other guides here. Course guides. Oh, here we go. Bunch of different course guides. I'm gonna try looking if I go to one of my courses. Like we'll do this. That's mechanical engineering. Through library resources. Oh, see, it takes me right there. Same guy, Clayton Hayes. That's cool. All the same stuff, pretty similar stuff as the previous one, but just a faster way to get to it. Good to know.